spaces. We pass through them every day. Tube stations like this. But the shapes, the textures, the details, they all start somewhere. Here at Power Sprays, it all starts with a simple action. A clean, consistent cut. This is Marcus, the product manager. He's holding their Concentric Spray Head. Inside the spray head, an Atlas Copco air motor drives the chopper. It cuts the glass fibre to an exact length, every time. There's dust, water and heavy use, but with the Atlas Copco air motor, there's no heat, no slowing down and no fuss. The fibre and slurry combine to create a strong, versatile building material, and it ends up in buildings or bridges like this. Mixing, cutting, turning, cleaning. Atlas Copco air motors do it all, from powering deep sea exploration to food and pharmaceuticals, to mining, packaging, and even missions in outer space. Something to marvel at on your daily commute.